ICOM IC-705, unboxing and initial setup. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The ICOM IC-705 is one of, if not the best, QRP radios out there. It does HF, UHF, and VHF in 5 to 10 watts. We're going to take a look at the unboxing and the initial physical setup. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the IC-705, and it is in a very colorful box. ICOM, that's a rare thing for ICOM. They normally are very plain boxes. This one has a nice picture of the IC-705 on the top. Here are the warranty card and registration information. Okay, there are 3 manuals. 2 of them are in other languages. And here is the manual in English. Let's take the cardboard that's covering the radio. Okay, now there are instructions on how to get the radio out, and you pull it out at that angle because the antenna is on that side. And that makes it very easy to take the radio out. Okay, here's a packet with spare fuses in it. And also the cushion for the bottom of the radio, along with the attachment for the microphone and a jack. Now here is a power cable with a fuse in it. And here is the microphone. And here is the battery. It is a ICOM BP272. Let's go ahead and take the radio out of the plastic. Okay, there's the power switch. There's the main dial. There's the volume and squelch, tuning, multifunction knob right there. There are the different menus at the bottom that you can select. And here on the side, that is the antenna jack. And that is where the microphone cord is attached. And that's the jacks for the microphone. And down there is the micro SD card. Here is the slot for the battery. Now at the bottom is the micro USB port is down there. The DC port is down there. On top is for the antenna tuner. And there's the DC port. And on the bottom, there are wonderful holes to be able to attach this to a third-party tripod or other type of assembly. Here's the top of the radio. Now, here is the microphone. You have A/B switches on it. You can program those, and up and down arrow. There's the push to talk, and there's a nice clip on the back of that. And there are the 2 jacks to be able to attach it to the 705. Here is the battery. It's a BP272. Now this goes over some instructions on how to attach the microphone to the IC-705 and also the cushions for the bottom of the IC-705. And here you can see I've already installed that. That does take a lot of dexterity to get that on there and get the ring clip on there. It's not really that hard. It just takes some dexterity to do that. And then also being able to, you're putting the pins in for the microphone right there. Okay, they are in right now. Well, let's go ahead and see by getting the battery in. Okay, well, looks like we got the battery in, and that's the setup for the IC-705. Question of the day. What did you think of the ICOM IC-705 unboxing and initial setup? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 3s, everyone.